My name is Lawless from CALT Dynamics, and I'm supported by the local enterprise office Wicklow. At CALT Dynamics, we've developed a technology that's allowing us to build a new generation of industrial scale 3D printers at an extremely competitive price point. I think I could be Ireland's best young entrepreneur because not only does CALT Dynamics have the potential to impact industrial manufacturing on a global stage, but we're also making 3D printing more affordable for customers in emerging markets.